Okay, so a couple things I want to show in this video. So first of all, I've changed the MIDI connection on this. The BOEM network I'm no longer using. I'm actually using the MIDI control that is within ProPresenter. It is here what looks like a little keyboard. When you open it, you will see that it's selected. It says Mac to ProPresenter. And this is how it's sending the signal. I already have the routings chosen, which is going over the network. It's sending out the playback. So you do not want to close this. Whatever you do, just minimize it. If you exit this, this will shut the MIDI off. Just minimize all these that are open. If you click on this, it can all just stay down here at the bottom of the screen. It's not going to hurt anything. And then if you want to check it, I wouldn't advise messing with this. It's just something that's going to be in the background, but I'll show this. Within the settings of playback and MIDI, you will see here where this will be lyrics, and this is the port that it's going out of, which matches exactly what I was just showing in MIDI. So this is where it's turned on. And this is currently working. If I start the track and go to ProPresenter, there it is. It just highlighted. You'll see it go through in a second. There you go. So this is no longer using BOEM network. Should be much more reliable. On the Windows computer, there are a couple of tabs that are going to stay open. One is RTP MIDI, which is a MIDI downloader for Windows. You can see here it says the MacBook Pro in here. It shows that it's connected. By clicking on this would be to disconnect it, and then it would go back. We want to make sure this stays connected. You'll see where I also have the playback in also selected on here. It's coming in. I'm not sending anything back out, which is why I don't have anything here. And then there is also another tab here called Loop MIDI. This is also telling it that it can receive from another device. So these are items that you do not want to close them. They just need to stay running in the background. If you want to change the key of a song within ProPresenter to match whatever is in playback, so for instance, we go over here, Raise a Hallelujah, it's in D flat. We'll go over here to ProPresenter, we're on Raise a Hallelujah. You go up here to the top here, you'll see this little keynote, it says C, and we'll go down here and change this to D flat. As soon as we do that, it'll automatically change what's on the stage screen. So let's go to the next one. This one is in D, and here it shows E. We'll correct it to D. The next one's in D flat, and here it shows F. So we'll change this to D flat. And the last one is also D flat. And here it shows D, so D flat. So now this will show the correct chords on the stage display from the back of the room. So hopefully this answers some questions. Like I said, the MIDI is now constantly on to match what's in the Mac computer. It's no longer using BOEM since it kept dropping off, so this should be a much more reliable source. You just have to make sure you do not close these out. So, and you will also see, I think I showed this before in ProPresenter, if you go to the settings, go to devices, if I were to disconnect and open this, you will see that same highlighted option here. It'll say playback in. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to shut it off, but if you were to disconnect it, that's what it would show. So hopefully this answers some questions, and alrighty, see ya.